What's up? I'm the 1B, and I'm going to be doing some video editing. This is very confusing. Not the video editing itself, the content that I am video editing. Okay, so let me just get us started on the process before we get into the content itself. So first we'll do new project, and then we're going to go to browse. We're going to go to video editing, and this is definitely video editing squared. And then we're going to create a new folder. And let me just move my notebook out of the way. And we're going to call this video editing squared the portal thumbnail creation. Okay. Select that folder now. Call this video editing squared portal thumbnail creation. Now, this is where I'm going to start having to get really, I'm going to have to really come up with I don't want to say a reason. I want to say like how I'm going to format these and how I'm going to label them and title them, because this video for 21/20 I think it's this one, 204739. See, these are the numbers I'm looking at. This is the date, and then this is like maybe a time code. I'm not entirely sure what this second number is, but it's 204739, which is here. We're going to click it. We're going to drag it down into the project. This is importing it. Then I'm going to import my YouTube video ending, YouTube end screen. And we're going to import them into or drag them into the timeline. So this is going to be so crazy. We are going to unlink them. This first audio channel is the mix of these three audio channels, and I typically only use it for syncing up audio with video, or there's a couple other occasions where I don't want to have these unmixed things, so I use this one, but that's whatever. And then so this is system audio, which I assume is I'm going to be playing my video in the video. So this will be audio from Premiere Pro in the video. This will be Discord audio, but I'm not chatting with anybody, so we'll delete that. And then this is my audio. Let's go ahead and click all those and relink them. Right click right here. We want to delete the extra empty tracks. So these right here is an empty video track, these two, V2, V3. So we want to delete empty tracks. Those will be video. Then we want to delete all the empty audio tracks, which is only two, A1 and A3. And then we click OK, and now they're gone. While we're here, let's go up to Effect Controls. Audio, A1 audio channel is going to be here. And we're going to make that quieter. We're going to make that -2. And then there's this third audio channel, or second, sorry. That's going to be my audio, and I'm going to turn that up. It's better to have to turn me down than to not be able to hear me. So you don't want to ever make it so that somebody can't hear you. You'd rather them have to turn you down. But of course, you don't want to blow their ears out at the beginning of a video either. So give them, some notice, I guess, kind of. Let's go ahead and drag the YouTube end screen in. I'm going to select that, and I'm also going to increase the audio for me on that. Then we're going to look at the beginning of this video, and we're going to cut it.
What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody?
We know it's going to be a very short in. We're going to select it. We're going to hit Control K. That's going to split the video into 2 portions. We're going to select the first one. We're going to hit Shift Delete, and that's going to pull everything forward so that it makes sure to fill up the gap that I just deleted. It's a good way of describing it. Before, I was having a hard time kind of describing it. And stay healthy out there. Peace. And then we'll stop right there. Control K again. You're going to select this portion. It's back now. It's 2 portions again. We want this piece that we want gone. We're going to hit Shift Delete, and it's going to pull the YouTube end screen to this. It's going to fill that gap. See? Very good. I'm going to zoom out again. Just do that out of habit. We're going to hit Control S for save. Control M to export media. We're going to select here. We're going to make sure that we're in the correct spacing. Video editing squared. Video editing squared, the portal thumbnail creation. We're going to call this video editing squared, the portal thumbnail creation dash or hyphen version 1. Save. We're going to hit Q. It's going to open up Adobe Media Encoder. You can also hit export there to export just directly. I like to use Adobe Media Encoder because I've had issues exporting with Premiere Pro before. And then once I hit this start queue here, it's going to start the encoding and rendering process for the video. That's going to take, it's going to vary depending on the length of the video, the format, and the specs of your PC. Or if you have a Mac, whatever specs of your computer. So for me, this is going to probably take 5 to 10 minutes. But I don't record that. So while it's rendering, hopefully you go watch another one of my videos, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.